In this level, I have a pattern which is going up and then down, and this is going to repeat in the next levels. First, I'm starting with northeast. NE means northeast. So this is the first direction. The second direction is southeast. So it's this one. And then I click run. Now I have a pattern. So they asked me to use the repeat block. I drag it and drop it. And then I have 1, 2, 3. In this one, they already gave me a code, so I will leave it as is and I click run. Looks like it did well in the first step, so I need to repeat the same thing over here, and over here, which means how many times, how many lines do I have?
It's a repeat 4.
In the challenge, I have like the stair steps. It starts with this direction, but then it has to move down, so it's south. Let's run. I have a repeat 5, I'm not sure about it, so I will keep it as is and I run it. In this level, we have 4 lines, but there's a gap in between them. So I need to put a repeat 4, but also I need to remember that I need to jump over here, which means first I move east and then I need to jump. In this level I have stair steps and I need to move up and then this way, which is east. And I need to repeat the same over here and the same over here. This is an open level in which you can draw anything you want. So we will leave it up to you to draw anything, drag blocks and put them over here, and then when you're done, you click run and then finish.